So now the gopis are speaking about these objects of respect and the Paramatma, and then they transit that, because part of why you're serving your husband and part of why you're serving your teacher and relatives is because of love. You're supposed to love. So then the next thing that Vishnu takes off from that same point, he starts to explain the different types of love. And so it actually boils down to the question of love, of prema. So then he says, because there's no word where he's taking you off, so he says, we love our husbands because of the Paramatma, we serve them because of the Paramatma, and then they die, we burn them up, and there's no more seva to be done there. They say, but ultimately, the ultimate object of love, the ultimate object of praying, the praying Vishaya is you and you alone. Not our mother, not our father, not our husband, not our relatives. So then Vishnu goes on to bring the next concept in his the flow of his tika, which is prem, which is a continuation of this topic about love for husband, serving Paramatma, and then say, so they really get to the point. In other words, basically, it's a love story. Ras Leela is a love story. So the gopis are knocking all Krishna's arrows off the screen of the Mahabharata film. You know, Krishna shoots his arrows. Wah, 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 wah. So, and they just go like this. So the gopis go boing and boing and boing. They knock all their Krishna's arrows. He's like, oh, I don't have any more arrows. You know, okay. Let's dance. So he finally, he quits, you know. But so now let's see how he explains. He said, Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, he explains that prem has two natural aspects. The preliminary manifestation of pure love, which is love and separation, purva prema, covers a devotee's, oh, this is a very nice point. He explains, he's talking about prema, a lokik prem, a transcendental love of the gopis and Krishna. Then he explains that there's two aspects of this prem. There's love and when you're with the beloved, and there's also the love continues even in separation. We love our guru and we serve and we have so many wonderful exchanges. But when our guru leaves this plane or this realm of visibility or accessibility, we continue to love our guru in separation. We worship the guru, we remember the guru, we pray to the guru. Because the guru is a transcendental entity and the prayers are all going to him. Wherever he is in this planet, we pray, then guru reciprocates. Krishna has his way of working together because the guru is the Kripa Shakti Murti of Krishna.